Okay, most of y'all know me already, some of you don't. My name's Chris, down here at Parts Breakers Jeeps Unlimited. I just had a gentleman call from California who was looking for a Dana 44 for an XJ. Now, I always get this question, hey, do you guys have that? Sometimes yes, most of the time not. Big reason on that is they go like hotcakes. With that being said, I do have the next best thing, and some would even say an upgrade. I do have a Chrysler 8.25 matched with a High Pinion Dana 30 on the front of this two-door. Now, this is the late Chrysler 8.25 with the 29 spline. This is just going to be a real quick down and dirty, just to show you guys. Now, I will wash these fellers off before I send them out, but this is going to be your Dana 30 High Pinion. You know, funny enough, this Jeep, believe it or not, actually came in running and driving. The folks drove it down here, and yeah, so that's going to be your front 30 right there. Then here is our Chrysler 8.25. Now, these bad puppies are 410s. So yeah, if you guys are looking for, and you know, luckily the last couple days you've seen me pumping out a bunch of YouTube videos. It's been working magic. Almost instantly when I get a video out, I get a call on it, and I'd say most times rather than not, these things that put up in my videos sell. So as you guys already know, I got tubs, I got frames, a lot of frames, axles, builder cores, blocks, got long blocks, just regular cores, transmissions, T-cases. I mean, pretty much the whole nine out here. So if you guys see this, give me a call, 303-666-9020. I'd love to make this video 10 times longer, but I am absolutely super slammed today. So find us at our website, partsbreakers.com, or give us a call. Thank you.